time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Swizzy, hey, I said, come on, I said, come on, I said, come on, put my hand in the air, it's like that, paper out, it's like that, take it down here, it's like that, the whole thing fall, it's like that, tell me that it's like that, it's like that, hey, tell me that it's like that, it's like that, hey, tell me that it's like that, it's like that, hey, tell me that it's like that,
Aloha cousins, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So I got a package in the mail and we were gonna do this and I've been waiting for this. So you guys know that I love Erin Condren and their boxes are so cute. So I just got a package from Erin Condren, yay! So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this actually. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. If you haven't noticed, I got Erin Condren way before. Oops, and their packaging, this is from before. Their packaging is so cute. So this is now very cute. Put my phone on silent. Haha! Alright guys, I figured this out. So we're gonna go ahead and box this Erin Condren and hopefully this angle will be perfect. So I have my trusty scissors here and we're gonna go ahead and open this. Ta-da! Alright, so you open the box and ta-da, this is what's inside. So excited. I love Erin Condren. So it says, well done. Well done is better, well said. And it looks like this. And it is a postcard, so they always come with little postcards. So I could send this to any of my family members or just keep it as a little quote and stuff. So that's really cute. And it says, another one says, a sticker where you can put on stuff. It says, enjoy and to and from. Please ignore the back of the cat is meowing. And then the packaging is so beautiful. I don't want to rip it. But look how gorgeous the packaging is. Isn't that so cute? It's so gorgeous. Well, fortunately, we're going to have to rip it. Maybe I can do it slowly. Yes, I did. Haha. So it comes nicely bubble wrapped. It's like opening stuff. So I only got 2 items in here. So I'm going to put this down. So the first item, the others, so I just got 2 notebooks. So I'm going to take this box out of the way. So I got their 2 notebooks. I'm going to put this one face down because I don't want to show you the name. Oh my goodness, it feels so nice. So this is their hardbound notebook, and this just has their regular blue linen coil thing. I think I customized it where I wanted the coil thing, but no. It says JahDeBeaute on it. This is probably for me to take notes and for me to probably do like some, I don't know, probably YouTube stuff on it and daily thing and stuff. Or I probably use this for YouTube, or I'm gonna probably use this for a DIY scrapbook that I was planning to do for this video because I wanted to, but my cat's being weird. Stoney is being really weird. And then when you open the notebook, look how gorgeous that is. It has the nice little ribbons on it, and it says the best way to do is to get things done is to begin. So that's really, really cute. I love the ribbon. And you open it, it's just a notebook. And you can take notes and stuff. Oh, they came with a little card. It says, whether you choose just one, whether you're taking notes in class, sketching, home, journaling, adventure, possibly endless, create your own creation with the hardbound notebooks. I get 10% off using this code, so I'll probably keep that. So look how gorgeous it is, and it comes with a little ribbon. And yeah, I plan to probably use this for YouTube and probably take notes. Don't know what I'm going to use this for, but it has my name on it. It says JahDeBeaute. So I'm going to put this back in the bag because I like to keep things nice and clean. I don't want them to get dirty, but it has a really nice flower in the top. It feels really nice. This was really cheap on Erin Condren. I love Erin Condren. If I could, I would buy the whole store. If I really could. So yeah, and this is what the notebook looks like. That's one of them. And then the other one I am not going to show. If you can probably see if I can take this tape off. Yeah, I am not going to show because this notebook is for baby girl. It has her name on it. I am not going to show you, but I got this watercolor and it says every day is a fresh start. As you can see, it says every day is a fresh start. I am covering the name because it has baby girl's name on it, and I plan to use this for like a little scrapbook adventure. So like, as you know, I got Polaroid camera, and I said that I was going to plan, like, track every milestone, take every picture. So this is a scrapbook. I'm going to do more DIY. So this is a scrapbook about baby girl's life where I want to take a picture of have pictures of her when she's first born, every step of the way, and just track every single moment of this. And this is what this is for. And then I said JahDeBeaute. I think I forgot where I was supposed to put Wires Ohana on this, and I plan to use this probably for a travel journal for us. So like everything that we travel, or I'll make this probably a travel journal. I'm not really sure what I'm going to use this for, but this right here, covering the name. But this is baby girl. It has her name on it, which I'm covering so you guys don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and open it. So, and I'm going to not show her name. Because I don't want her name to be revealed on cam, because it's a secret. But this is her name, and this is the back of what it looks like. It's cute watercolor, and I customize it where it's rose gold, because I love rose gold. Even though it's like a pinkish color, it's still beautiful. And then her name, and if you did notice, the name is also rose gold. When you open it, it's really beautiful. It has a nice watercolor. It says, your life is a story, and get it often, I think. I'm not really sure. But that's what the quote looks like. And it's really, really beautiful. And of course, this is like a little journal, so you open it. And it says, take notes, and this belongs to blah, blah, blah. And I plan to use this. It's just lined paper. I plan to use this as a scrapbook. So, yeah, hopefully you guys can see it. So that's what the back looks like. And, and then I got another 10% off discount, which I plan to use. So yeah, it says, note, take things more than less, and that's the thing. And it's really beautiful. I kind of got a watercolor feeling because it kind of like reminds me of like a Little Mermaid feeling to it. So it's back here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around. And yeah, so I'm going to put this back in here because, like I said, I like keeping things nice and fresh. I don't want to ruin it. So yeah. And then I also, this is not from Erin Condren, but I got this from Walmart. I got their assistive dot tape, so I plan to use this. And it's like glue dots, and I can tape it on back of the Polaroid. and take photo treaters and just stick it, and I can easily remove it, and it'll be easier, so it won't be messy. I would use glue, but normally glue is just too messy, so I thought I got this. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera facing towards me, and yeah. Oh, we're good this way. So yeah, that's what I got in my Erin Condren box. So yeah, I'm really excited. So yep, as you can see, I'm gonna show you a quick prompt. And like I said, I'm gonna cover her name. So I got these two things, and I'm really excited to use this. I'm probably gonna use this for either to take notes, write down YouTube ideas, or probably documentary our life. I think I was supposed to put our Ohana last name, but I think I took away the wrong one, but it's okay. But I'm planning to probably do the same thing for scrapbooking. I know it says my name on it, but I can always take it off and not take it off, but cover it and customize it my own. But yeah, these two things that I got. I would show you the name, but like I said, the back one has baby girl's name on it, so I can't actually show you. But so that's what I got in my Erin Condren box, and super excited. I love Erin Condren very much, and it's amazingly awesome. So yeah, so that's what I got in the Erin Condren box. I'm really excited. So mahalo nui loa for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a fabulous weekend. And everything is fine, honestly. Just a little pregnancy update. So let's see. Yeah, I'm still 36 weeks. I just made 36 weeks, and I'm currently 8 months, and I have like lots to go, and I'm really like annoyed. I just got a new tripod. I'm really excited. My husband got me a new tripod. Because the tripod that I had was like annoying. So I have a new tripod, and it's far back, so it's really awesome. And it's like versatile. It's a Sunpack Ultra 6000 PG. The box is outside. I was gonna do like a haul unboxing, but we came home late and I was super tired and I wanted to go to bed. I'm actually hungry right now. Excuse me. And so yeah, it's versatile. So I was trying to figure out how to like put the angles and stuff, and I figured out that I could wind it up, and I found the perfect angle. So it's gonna work for awesome videos. So stay tuned for the awesome videos when she's born. After she's born, I'm gonna try to put some, besides like vlogging style, I probably put some DIYs in there, and probably DIY the scrapbook thing. Hopefully I can have time to do it. I will make time. I will have schedule. I will make time for it. And then I'll probably bring back Plan With Me and all that other stuff. Probably do those videos and bring back Plan With Me, so that, because I have a perfect setup now, everything will be fine, and everything's working out, I guess. So really excited. So yeah, so according to the update, everything is fine. It's just I'm really sore. I've been having Braxton, I guess it's Braxton Hicks. It's like, it's not pain like every 5 minutes. It's just Braxton Hicks. It's just pain where it's a excessive long pain and it goes away and then it comes back. It's mostly at nighttime, and mostly now, and also right now my pelvic region really hurts. I believe that she's making her way down there, so it really hurts. And I've been sleeping lately, and I've been like super tired. And I just, sometimes I feel like I don't want to do anything. My house is a mess. I have dishes, and I can't stand for a period of time because I'm like super tired, and I don't sleep at night. So like I would sleep for like maybe, I would say probably like an hour or two, and then I have to wake up and pee, and then all of a sudden I try to go back to sleep. my leg cramp happens, and then Stoney, my cat, was just meowing, attacking my toes, and it's just super hard, and it's just been really, really rough, and it's been hard, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, she's coming soon. Oh, and upcoming videos, I do have a baby haul coming up soon. I think I have basically a bunch of hauls coming up soon because I have a lot of packages coming from family, from friends, from you guys, and anonymously. You guys are sending me stuff I don't know sometimes who things from. But I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for your patience. And yeah, really, really excited. So, without further said, so stay tuned for a huge baby haul. I have a shower coming up soon. Hopefully she don't come by then. But yeah, so I'm going to end this video. So mahalo nui noa, aloha oi. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Click that red button so that you are subscribed to me and your no wonderful cousin Ohana. And don't forget to support every single Ohana down below, especially the squad. We support you, you support us. Just support everyone down below, and don't be afraid to support everyone. And if you're new to my channel, my name is JahDeBeaute. How are you guys doing? And my battery's gonna die. Oh snap, because I talk too much. Anyways, mahalo noa, aloha oi. Catch you on the next wave. Shoots, cousin Ohana.